Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Desi Nari. So today we are going to make one more design of fabric jewelry, which are these pretty earrings. So I have seen so many people making fabric jewelry in a traditional touch, but I love to do the experiments a lot, and that's the reason I have made these earrings with little modern touch, which has a detailing of pearls, kundans and these charms, which makes them a perfect party wear accessory. So you can see this is how they look. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. And I suggest you to make them in any other color as white, blue, yellow, pink and so on. I have also made them in lots of color. I will show them in the end of the video. So do watch this video till the end and do let me know in which color you are going to make these earrings. Uh, if you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. And to all those who are watching my video, I have a request that I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel. So do hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me as it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do hit that subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that you will get notified as to when I have uploaded a new video. And now without wasting time, let's get started. The material required is square base, then plain fabric. I'm taking this red color plain fabric, then lock beads. You can also take zero size golden beads, then charms, 5 mm golden pearl beads, then chain. So this, you can see this is not a proper golden, but this is a blackish golden, so you can take this one. Then these are zero size pearl beads. This is how it looks. Jump ring. Then this is a rectangular mirror, earring stud, laria or sprinkles, then cutter scissor plier and Fevibond. So first of all I'm taking this square and I'm taking this fabric. So first I'll measure how much fabric is required and I'll cut that much fabric. And now I'm taking this Fevibond glue and we'll apply this glue on this fabric and we'll stick this fabric over here. So I'll go on sticking to the all sides. So guys, I have added this fabric and this is how it looks. So now we are going to add this mirror and pearl beads to this. So the design of earring is like this. So square will be like this diagonally and not like this. So I'll keep the square in this way. And now I'm taking this mirror and I'm taking this Fevibond glue and we'll in the middle I will apply this glue first. And then we stick this mirror over here. Like this, okay. So in this way we have to stick the mirror. Now we'll add a 5 mm zero size pearl beads to this. So I'm taking these beads and to the edges of this mirror I will apply Fevibond glue. And then I'm taking this and one by one we are going to apply these pearl beads here. So you can see I have applied these beads to this one side. So in the same way we have to apply to all of them, so I'll quickly add them now. If you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make these beautiful earrings. So guys, you can see I have applied this and this is how pretty it looks. So now we'll wait for a while to get this dry and then we'll start our further work. So guys, you can see I have applied these beads and this is how it looks. Now we are also going to add this earring stud, so I'll just flip this side and keep it here and down, and then I will again take baby bond glue and then we'll apply it here. And then we will simply stick it so that this both will stick together, and then when this will get dry we will start with our further work. So guys, this has dried up and now we will add this chain to this. So I have already cutted this chain in small parts and you can see these are there are 15 loops in each of them. So we'll take 10 pieces of this 15 loops. So these are approx 10 pieces. Now what we'll do is I'm taking this needle and thread and we'll attach this chain with the help of needle and thread to this side. So the stud it here. So this will be the downside. So we'll add it over here. So first I will add here. So I'll make a knot first here. And then I'm taking this and you can see there is a loop. So in this I'll insert this needle and over here again I'll make 2-3 knots. So you can see I have made a knot to this and this is how it looks. So in the same way we have to add these to hole. So I'll quickly add them and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have attached these chains and this is how it looks, and this is how it looks from front. So now we are going to do back finishing first. For that I'll keep it here and then I'm taking this fabric, plain fabric, which I won't be using for any other purpose. And then over here I will apply enough glue. Fast forward. So I applied the glue and I'm keeping it down, and now I will apply this fabric and I'll press it firmly so that it will be sticked to the whole edges. Make sure to press here because we have stitched this over here, so this has to be taken very properly. And now again we'll wait for a while to get this dry and then we'll start with the further work. So guys, this has dried up and now we'll quickly cut this one with the help of scissor. So I'll do. So I have cutted this and this is how it looks. Now we are going to add pearls and charms to this. So first we'll start by pearls and we'll start from here. So first we'll add for one pearl here, then we'll leave this one for charm, then we'll add one pearl from here, then again we'll leave one for charm, and then we will go on adding in an alternative way. So for the same I'm taking these pearls, then I'm taking these lock beads, and these are the laria. So first we'll cut this laria in half. So I have cutted the laria. So now I have taken one laria and I'll insert one log bead here in this, like this. And now I'm going to insert one pearl. So this is the sequence. Now I'm taking this earring and will insert it in the last loop of this chain. So this is the last loop and we will insert it here in this and then make a fold. Now I'm taking another one again and then we'll again add one log bead and then we'll again add one pearl bead. So now I'll leave one chain, so this will be for charm. So in the third one I'm going to make a loop, make this, I'm going to insert this. So again I will make a loop over here. So in the same way we have to add this to all of them. So I'll quickly add to all, like not all but in an alternative way. So guys, I have attached this and you can see this is how it looks. Now we are going to attach charms to this. So first I'll keep these ones aside. And to insert charm, taking these jump rings and these are the charms. So what we will do is I'm taking this one and we'll take one charm and we'll insert this here like this, and to the second chain I'm going to add this. I will again close this one, and now with the help of plier I'm going to close this very firmly. Okay, so you can see I have added this, and in the same way we have to add to all of them, to the remaining ones. So I'll quickly add them and I'll come back. So guys, I have attached these charms and this is how they look. So with these our beautiful earrings are ready, and that's another second beautiful earring. Ta-da! Do try to make these gorgeous earrings at home. If you face any issue while making these earrings, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you're new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.